Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna get ready for my mom's birthday party. I'm already getting late, so yeah, I was shooting in a very hurry, and I thought, why not film it in front of you guys? So let's get into the video. First come first, I'm gonna apply this Swiss Beauty primer. You guys already know I love this primer. This is my second bottle, and I always use this whenever I have a special occasion or event. So I'm gonna put that all over my face and wait for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna use this Mars foundation. I'm in the shade 08. I literally didn't even take half pump, and I initially thought it's gonna be very little, but it covered in my entire face and it was just the perfect amount. So for to blend that, I'm gonna blend with my Mars foundation kabuki brush, and it gives such a beautiful, flawless finish, just the way I wanted. It was so hot, I didn't want to do very heavy makeup, but it turned out nevertheless very beautiful. For concealer, I'm gonna take my Daily Forever concealer. I'm in the shade 006 Brave, I believe, and I'm gonna like put it around my mouth because I have darkness there under my eyes and here and there wherever I have dark spots. My skin is doing quite okay this time, so I'm blending it out again with the same foundation brush. To highlight my face a little bit, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 01. I'm just going to put it under my eyes, over my lids, and on the center of the face, very little quantity. And I'm going to blend it again using the same foundation brush. I was in such a hurry, guys. I was so late. I got late from work, so I was just using like same brush and just doing it. I literally took 10 minutes to do my entire makeup, and it was very hot as well. So I'm proud the way my makeup turned out actually. Now for my blush, I'm gonna take this pack Sarah X blush in the shade Fudge Me and Not, and I'm gonna blend it again using the same foundation brush. I love this blush. It's super dewy and it suits dusky complexion very well. To set my face, I'm gonna take this HD banana powder from Inside Cosmetics. It has very strong yellow tint to it, banana powder basically. So I really like it. It kind of like suits my skin tone nicely and it does the job pretty well. So I'm gonna just set the center of my face, not the entire face. I'm also slightly baking around my mouth because I was really sweating and I didn't have AC in my hall. So yeah, I was just baking around my mouth, not under my eye, and I'm slowly dusting it off after like 30 seconds or so with the help of a powder brush. To do my eyebrows, I'm gonna take the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I think, yeah, it's in the shade dark brown, I believe. So I'm just gonna fill my brows very randomly, and with the help of its spoolie or the comb that it comes out, I'm gonna just spread it out. Then I'm gonna take the Swiss Beauty quad eyeshadow, and it has only one matte eyeshadow and two shimmer and one glitter, but I love this quad. I mean, it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna take this matte pink shade. I'm just gonna put it all over my lids and on the crease basically, and I'm blending it out. Then taking this glitter shade. It looks silvery in the pan, but when you put it on the lids, it kind of reflects gold and silver. It's really beautiful, and it looks wet throughout the day and night whenever you wear it. And I wanted to bronze, so I thought, why not use the same bronzer to like kind of blend my entire eye look. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna take the clean brush and then just blend all and smoothen the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Then while I was at it, I thought, why not bronze my face? So I'm just taking the bronzer and carving out a little bit under my cheekbones and my jawline, the forehead, and a little bit on my nose as well. Literally, I was getting late. Then I'm gonna take this Kiro blush and just randomly take both the shades and put set my cream blush with the help of powder blush. Then with the help of Blue Heaven eyebrow setting gel, I'm gonna just set my eyebrows. Then I think I'm gonna do my highlighter. This is the Insight Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm just putting it. I'm leaning towards cream highlighter more than powder highlighter. So I'm just putting it on my highest point of my face. I was just putting it on my cheekbones. That's about it. I don't even think I highlighted my inner corner that day. Then I'm setting the entire face with the help of this NYX matte finish setting spray. Because I really wanted to step out and travel and reach home, so I didn't want my makeup to budge. So yeah, I'm fanning it out, then taking this Mars mascara. It has like dual end. The step one is length, step two is volume. So yeah, I'm following that, and I'm gonna apply lots and lots of mascara. I was being really careful not to like spoil my lid, and I think it turned out pretty good. So yeah, once I'm done with it, I am putting this lipstick, Faye Beauty Lip Whip lipstick. I really love this lipstick. I featured this lipstick in my top nude lipstick video. It's in the shade Safe Word, and yeah, this is my final look. I put on some silver earrings, and this is my final look. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.